Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a manufacturing engineer here at Invertek Drives. I've recently completed the graduate scheme. As a part of manufacturing engineering, we're responsible for looking after and developing the assembly and production test equipment. I saw the position advertised and looked at the area, and I thought it was a wonderful place to live. I wanted to get back into the technical side of things and thought it was an excellent opportunity. I think I've been able to carry on my development from university, learn a few more skills and also expand on what I did learn in university as well. At the moment I'm working on a new automated torque screwdriver. This will ultimately allow us to improve our quality as we'll be able to trace every single screw that goes into our products. During my rotations on the graduate scheme, I was able to help the other engineers develop the new assembly cell. This exposed me to a lot of different technologies such as cobots and machine vision. The best thing about working at Invertek Drives definitely has to be the people. Everyone feels like an extended family and everyone's really friendly and happy to help. Over the next 5 years, I would like to continue developing my skills in programming, working with the robots and machine vision, and ultimately start being able to manage my own projects. My favourite product has to be the E3. It's very small, incredibly reliable and very easy to set up. Mid Wales is an amazing place to live. There's some amazing beaches not too far away, and you also have access to Birmingham and North Wales as well. If you want to work at a place where you're given real responsibility and work in a place that has a global presence but yet still maintains its small family feel, this is the place for you.